Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we are going to be doing a scalp hair treatment on this crazy head. So I don't know about you, but me, my scalp gets dry very easily. So we gotta do something about that. We are gonna make a little scalp treatment and apply it. So what we're gonna use is black castor oil, coconut oil, tea tree essential oil, and I got a bowl. And I'm gonna use my scalp shower massager. So I'm gonna do a tablespoon of both carrier oils and then add some tea tree oil. I'm making a potion. Looks like honey. This is what it looks like so far. A bunch of globbity glob glob. I did 10, I don't know, just doing whatever I feel like. I'm gonna mix it together with my finger because I'm gonna use my hands anyways. The coconut oil is gonna look weird because it's solidified and I don't want to microwave it because that takes away from the benefits of it. It will warm up once I put it in my hand and melt. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put it on my scalp slash some of my hair and then massage it with this, or you can use your fingers if you don't have one of those. Pretty much the same thing. Warming it up in my hands so that the coconut oil melts a bit more. See, now it's like pure liquid because my body heat warmed up the oil. I'm just gonna rub on my scalp, get a nice good massage. These things are good for your hair too, so you can put it all over your hair if you want. Pretty much gonna get all of your hair trying to get to your scalp anyways. Wow, beauty.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart.
My problem areas that get the driest are right here. If you can see where that is. Both sides. And then all around the perimeter of the front of my hair line. Now I'm just going to take my massager and massage my scalp for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to leave the oil on for an hour. Just to soak it up. Feels so good. Feel even better if someone else is doing it for me so I could just relax.
If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had a chance? If I wrote you a
Okay, and now I'm just gonna leave the oil on my scalp and hair for an hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Well, actually shampoo. The best way I found to get oil out of your hair is to condition, shampoo, and then condition again, because the conditioner takes the oil out. That's what we're gonna do. I'll see you in an hour. Okay, dokey, it's been the time. Now I'm gonna go wash this out of my hair. Once again, conditioner, shampoo, conditioner. That is the process. Voila, beautifully cleaned hair. Scalp's feeling fresh and beautiful. My face is red because I took a hot shower and I'm all cozy. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for doing a scalp mask treatment with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Pew, 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 pew. Goodbye.
Let her know, or let her